Wagwan. So today we are out here hunting. Well, I'm accompanying my friend to hunt. I'm like the manpower and the eyes. So we are out here in Homer. I'll send a pinpoint on where Homer is. But we're looking for moose out here in this ridge. Pretty solid chunk of clear area. And we're just going to look around and see if we see anything. But it's pretty foggy, as you can see, so it's going to be tough to see stuff. But yeah, here for the night, for the whole weekend. So I'm just going to be walking, stopping, looking, hopefully shooting and carrying. But let's see. And the splitting up. Let me go this side and see if I can spot stuff. But it's pretty thick. Pretty thick stuff out here. But I'm just looking for like a trail or like some chewed on shrubs. Just something. Just want something. Let me turn up this brightness a bit. Oh, now it's better. But I can see some grass laying down, like something was passing. So I wonder if that's a moose. Oh yeah, I see moose poop. Told you, I see moose poop. So there's definitely some out here. Dude, this is like moose has just been laying down here. You see this path? This is definitely a moose. So we got here, and just when we got here, you can see snowing heavy snow. But that is good. That is nice when it snows, because when the moose starts walking, you can see the path that the moose takes. So that's good. But I think we have all the necessary gear for the snow. Have a set of bibs, have a nice boots, but goddamn, it is like calming down. You can see. Like it just happened. Like we just got here, it was not snowing, and the second we just like parked, it was like bam, snow. And I don't have any jacket, like good jacket, so it's gonna get wet, but part of the deal. So it's kind of dark, so we're going to wait it for some light to kind of come out. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So we just saw a moose creeping onto it now. It's right there on the edge of that hill. Good one.
Should be going down.
Dead moose. It's a big moose, damn. So we're gonna get ready to start processing this. Gonna get the skin off, intestines, take the meat home, and yeah, it's clearing up. You can see the mountains over there, you can see some ocean, but this is generally a successful day. We didn't have to be here too long, so that's good. That's what we want. But yeah, so man, what a nice day. So now we have to go process this stuff, get the skin off, get the guts out, get the meat. So it's gonna take a while. That's the real stuff now. But yeah, what a better day. It's nice and chilly. It's not raining, it's not snowing. Yeah, so let's get it. So we got the two sides, the arm and the leg out. Jacob punctured the stomach over there.
Get lost! What are you doing over here? It's not punctured. I was just doing a biology lesson.
But it's going on well. So this is the easiest part actually. taking the stuff up the hill over there. That's going to be the real walk now. But yeah, so we have all the skin out. Now we're getting ready to gut it, get all the intestines, stomachs, all the insides out. And what time is it? It's 11:30, so
11:30?
yeah.
Really? We didn't start hunting till at least
At like 9 something.
9:30.
Yeah.
By the time we started.
It was 9:32 when I took a picture of the dead moose.
Okay.
Okay.
9:15.
So almost 2 hours, but good progress. So yeah. So we have everything done. All the chunks of meat done. All the bones left for the bears and stuff. Legs, ribs, all of it. It's time to carry the stuff now. Gonna take a few trips.
This is going to be a little tiring.
But yeah. Beautiful mountains. Have my park here and steep climb, man. So Jacob going already. So let's see if I can make it. At least 2 trips to be made, so that's good. But dude, it's heavy. Not even, I just got done, like see, it's just down there. So my sheet strap broke. Now I can't pull it anymore, so might need to push it, or yeah, find something to do about this. We are done packing, getting the stuff to the vehicle, all the meat is in the truck, and we have some few hours of the day, so
We're going to go do it again. There's another moose. Did you see that, son?
yeah.
There is another,
But
a whole different.
the weather was saying it's gonna be horrible, like rainy and stuff, but look at this, beautiful. I don't think it gets better than this. You know, not too much sun, just chilly enough. You know, this is the only time you'll see me saying I like it chilly. But yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it up, go make some kidney, some heart, and yeah, so what a beautiful hunt. Well, I didn't get to hunt or anything, but got to process the meat, got to cut the meat into chunks, got to be here. Well, not everyone gets to hunt, you know, like most places of the world don't get to hunt, but here in the US we are agents of death. Yeah, we see you, we kill you, we eat you. I'm talking about like moose and other eatable animals. But yeah, so if you're going to watch this video and get to hear, beautiful day, so make sure to leave a like, you know, leave a sub, and there will be more, you know. But the time to hunt is kind of almost over because winter is here. Because today morning it was snowing, like there was a ton of snow here, but now there's no snow, all melted. But yeah, so see ya on the next video.